you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, as you guys know, I announced that I got a new car. Well, this is it. I was gonna do a big dramatic, stupid reveal, but so here we are. I'm also gonna check the plugs on my car because yesterday it started smoking really bad. So we're gonna see what's going on. Oh. I took this thing to work yesterday and it was actually like hilarious. We put a 24-volt battery in it and it went really fast. I'll show you the video. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, the back clip's dead. Oh my God. I'm fine. Okay, update. I'm 3 plugs in. They're all clean, so that's a good sign. I am literally getting beaten up by my car, so that's not fine, but there we go. Anyways, as always, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. This thing's probably gonna make an appearance. Almost took off the mirror. This thing's probably gonna make an appearance quite often, so.